Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to manage all shortcuts for volume up and down keys in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on advanced settings and then click on volume up and down buttons. Now from here you can manage all shortcuts for the volume up and down keys. So if you want to add a shortcut to the volume up and down keys shortcuts, then select it, and after selecting, the shortcut will be added to the volume up and down keys. And if you want to remove any shortcut from the volume up and down keys, then just simply click on the shortcut again to deselect it, and after deselecting, that shortcut will be removed from the volume up and down keys shortcuts. So that's how you can manage all shortcuts for volume up and down keys in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.